So there you go, people getting Instagram photos. It actually is a really nice little backdrop for this, a nice little area. So we're going to find out what's inside that shed, because you can't get in from the front. You see those windows are blocked off, the doors are blocked off, so I don't know if it's a facade or whether there's something inside it, but we're going to find out in the kayak. So let's go see what we can find in this blue shed, if in fact we can get in there. All right, this is the shed. Oh, this looks really nice. It smells like old wood, which is really nice smell. I didn't actually realize this was a used space. I thought it was just open at the back. This is a beautiful little spot. How nice. All right, I'm going to leave this be. I'm not going to go interfere with it at all, and I'm not going to get out of my kayak. And looks like I'm in someone's house here, so I will clear on out. But that's, oh, there's birds up there as well. It looks like it's got electricity. That's a nice shed, actually. So I'm going to clear on out so I don't interfere with someone's house. So these are all the people taking photos out the front. It's popular for weddings, Instagram photos.